Hi, my name's Lucas, Spotix Pro account manager with the Spotix Pro team. You might know us from some more websites like Fire Pits Direct, Fireplaces Direct, Spotix, and kickassgrills.com. Today we're talking about the Warming Trends burner here. This is a match light burner kit. As we know, things are cooling down. It's time to get outside and get your fire pit rolling. Warming Trends is going to give you unlimited options here. We're going to have a standard kit here. This is going to have 180,000 BTU, what they call a Crossfire burner. This is going to have jets that use the Venturi effect to get what they classify as the biggest flames in the industry. You'll notice that they signify the fuel type by a color here. So we have a red for natural gas. You could also have blue for propane. When you buy a Warming Trends match light kit, you're going to get several components with it. You're going to get your key valve. That's a high capacity key valve with the flange. You're going to get two keys for your key valve, a 3-inch and a 12-inch for whatever you choose. You're going to get a high capacity flex line, and you're going to get a nipple. With it, you're going to get your burner and your plate. It's going to come mounted. It'll have cutouts. If you decide not to go with a match light kit and want to go with electronic ignition, you'll see the cutouts, so you can punch those out here. They have a unique kind of a P-trap here for water, so it's going to stop any water from getting inside the jets, getting down to your gas lines or ignition system. Typically, when you buy a match light kit, you're going to pair it with something along the lines of these. These are what's called installation collars. You go ahead and fasten these to the inside of your cement or your enclosure, and then they're going to sit and the pan is going to rest right on them. They can fit just like that. If you want something a little simpler and you're using a paver kit, you can actually stick this in the pavers, and you can have the pan sit on them just like this, or you can even put the pan on them like this and they can fit around it. Either way will work. So unlimited options. Now, this isn't the only option. It does come with square. They do custom as well. So with Warming Trends, you can do anything from a yard of fire that you can see here on their manual to the smallest burners that might light up. Now, if you put the right fuel capacity at this, you're going to get a flame of about 36 inches. So 3 feet tall. It's going to be bold enough for about anything you can imagine. Now here at Spotix, we're here to help. So feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad. We appreciate you being a Spotix Pro. If you're not already a Spotix Pro, please give us a call at 319-320-4186 or shoot us an email at pro@spotix.com and we can help you out with any of your fireplace, fire pit, outdoor kitchen needs.